and I want to show you guys another website. All right, this is just gonna be a quick website. It's gonna be a quick rundown of this site called Paid Social Media Jobs. Now, I've been seeing this site around, and I'm just trying to figure out what it's about and is it really legit. So, do you want to know if it's legit? Basically, what you do is you come to this page here, and then you click your first name, your email address, and you click Get Started Now. After you do that, we'll see where it takes us. They got a video on the page, and they got a listening to show us what a sample job looks like. So all you would do is manage a Facebook page for a cooking website and get paid $25 per hour. It works 7 hours a week. You can start immediately. So you just apply to that job, and if accepted, then you get to start making money. So also in this business, many businesses receive free samples of their products and services as part of your job to ensure that you know about their business. I'll show you the secrets. I've learned to keep all of these products for free. So this is what I'm just reading right here. So you get free products as well for reviewing or working for these social media jobs. So I'm gonna enter my email address and I'm gonna come right back. All right, so I enter my email address, and this is the page that it takes me to. It says get a $50 bonus right now, special promotion when you get your first paid social media job. So average monthly earnings could be about $2,166 if you do five jobs a day, about $20 for each job, and work about 5 days a week. So let's see how much this all costs. $27. So $27 is the cost. And they say, why is there a cost? Because we don't take a percentage of your earnings with our social media partners. We have to charge a very small fee to cover costs associated with our web hosting customer service team. However, we've worked out a deal with our social media partners to offer a free $50 once you complete your first paid social media job, which pays you back your startup fee and more. And then they got a person right here that you can live chat and talk to if you want to. So I don't know. It looks pretty legit. I mean, I've seen sites like this, but I'm not sure like if you have to pay to start working, if you know that's gonna be like it's gonna be legit. But they have some testimonials, so people getting paid, showing different testimonials. All right. So last thing part to this video is I'm gonna give away an ebook, and it's called Messing Around on Social Media. Be a free ebook, and that's just something I'm gonna do. If all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, or just give a comment if you want the free ebook. If not, that's fine. But anyways, thanks for watching. Till next time, peace out.